So my role here today was to come in and talk about a little bit of the work that's going on in Buffalo around gun violence and talk about how the youth themselves could probably get involved in the solution. And then, that's what came out of the panel. We had a great speaker, and Dion Fudge, the founder of Fudge, and he did his thing. I think the kids got a lot out of it, and I hope the kids got a lot out of it. Sometimes we come to these events and sometimes you see the kids look like they get a little bored, but that was what the purpose of it was, to kind of educate the youth around the topic and to talk to them about some of the solutions, which they were able to do, and hopefully the kids got something out of it. Just like the dude asked me, and what I'll tell myself, man, I'm gonna tell, stay out the way, man. Stay out the way and find your passion, man. Idleness is the devil playground, man. You ain't got nothing to do when you steady then around doing a whole lot of nothing. You gonna get a whole lot of nothing. You gonna give what you get into. So if you put yourself in a whole lot of situations where you're doing a whole lot of nothing, then that's what you're gonna get, a whole lot of nothing. But if you try to figure out and put yourself in positions where you're able to figure out what your passion is and figure out what you want to do, usually which is in service to others, then you'll be able to find out what kind of skills you got and what you need to sharpen up on moving forward. You know what I mean? And I feel like, a lot of dudes wouldn't be, out here doing a lot of nothing if they was able to figure out what they something was. You know what I mean? And unfortunately, a lot of people got to get in trouble and kind of fall a bunch of times before they decide to find what that something is. You know what I mean? And what I want to do is I want to prevent as many young people from having to fall before they find out what that something is. Find out what that something is now, you know what I mean? And don't waste time. And then, then you ain't got to worry about none of the nonsense going on out there.